This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Deb Bryan. Come and live in this well-maintained home on the east end of the village. It sits in the desirable Ponce de Leon golf course area, on a level, professionally landscaped, 0.34-acre lot. The home offers a low-maintenance exterior. A new roof in 2023, one less thing to worry about. It has a relaxing outdoor space, featuring a pergola, a fire pit plus a broad, exposed aggregate patio. The interior includes split primary and secondary bedrooms. The primary suite boasts a large master bath and a separate shower. Appliances such as washer and dryer are included. The massive, 795 SFT, per appraiser, 3-car garage has side yard access and a utility sink. Driveway expansion joints were replaced last year. The backyard fence was installed in 2021. This home has no carpet as luxury vinyl planks were also installed at that time. The interior of the home got fresh paint throughout that same year. Full flooring and attic. Appliances such as washer and dryer are included. For more information,